That bacon got rendered. I added the onion. I'm now going to add those 40 cloves of garlic that I told you about. Fresh parsley and oregano. Now, in this bowl over here, what I got some breadcrumbs. And I got some artichokes. You can slice them, dice them. Thing we're going to put in is a little zest of lemon. Add more olive oil. Turn the heat off. Stir in the olive oil. Okay? And then right inside the bowl. Here's the leg of the lamb. So the butcher bones it out for you. You come home, it's wrapped in this nice fancy paper. What you want to do is you want to season this up. Before you even do that, figure out how you're going to roll this thing up. To me, that's the way that it would make sense to me. I'm going to fold this over. I'm going to fold that over because I don't see any fat on that before I tie it. Now, go back to the seasoning. Now we got it seasoned. This stuffing that we had, and we're going to put that artichoke stuffing. You with me so far? Oh, we're almost there. And we're going to do that about every inch and a half all the way down. You know what I'm saying? Once it rests, then I can cut the strings off, and I'm going to show you